With a sophisticated and elegant available 3-zone automatic climate control system, the driver and passengers can ride in exceptional comfort. The system is activated when any button is pressed and will activate in automatic mode. The most convenient method for setting your desired temperature is by selecting the auto function for either the driver or passenger side. The system will automatically regulate the temperature, fan speed, and airflow. When the air conditioning is on, it will be indicated in the display. The air conditioning compressor may activate even when the system is warming the cabin to help regulate interior humidity. You may also choose to regulate the settings manually. Touching any of the control switches will enlarge the icon for that function. You can change the setting by pressing the switch down or lifting it up, such as to increase or decrease fan speed. The airflow switch can direct air to the floor, panel, or defrost vents, or a combination for each side. Toggle through the selections by pressing up or down. The driver and passenger control knobs can set a desired temperature from 60 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit. When set to low or high, the system will run continuously and the temperature will not be regulated. The air conditioning will come on automatically under various conditions, such as when the temperature set is below the ambient temperature, when defrost is selected, or when the system is in auto mode. The AC max switch will turn the temperature setting to low and turn the fan on high. This can be used to cool the cabin quickly in hot weather. On both sides, the seats can be heated and ventilated as desired. Press each switch repeatedly to change the settings to high, medium, or low. If desired, the recirculation button can be pressed to prevent outside air and odors from entering the cabin. The rocker switch to the right of center opens or closes the wide vent by lifting the switch. Press or lift to select an option, controlling rear seat climate functions from the front, allowing full 3-zone control or all zones synchronized to one setting. In the 3-zone setting, each zone can be regulated independently. Sync sets all zones to the driver's temperature and airflow settings. If any zone controls are changed while in sync mode, the system reverts to 3-zone mode. In the Set Rear mode, you can set the rear seat settings from the front console. A tab will appear showing you are in rear control mode. After 10 seconds, it will return to front controls. The rear seat controls allow the adjustment of the temperature, as well as the adjustment of airflow and direction. Seat heaters can also be controlled by the rear passengers. Finally, when the ignition is turned off while the engine is warm, you can press either front control knob to take advantage of residual heat in the engine and coolant to help keep the cabin warm. This will turn off automatically after 15 minutes. Available 3-zone climate control in your Audi gives the driver and passengers the comfort they desire. It's Audi technology working to make life better for you.